Good morning, Ken. Silver Creek Realty Group, AmeriPro Mortgage. I'm going to show you a house in Horseshoe Bend that you can possibly use USDA loan, 100% financing. These houses, once this development is built out, there's not a lot of builders building up there, and you're probably going to be out of luck. You're looking for a new home within 2026. The builder's giving you a builder credit on these, which you can use to pay your origination, your points if there's any, your title, your escrow, your taxes, your homeowner's insurance, and I can even give you a credit. I can give you a credit on the appraisal at the end if we got enough money left over. So I'm going to give you a look at this house real quick. I'm going to shrink this down, and here we are. Beautiful house. I think that's a great looking house. Let's take a few more looks here at the picture. Hang on a second. All right, so we're looking at the house here, 237 Caribou Court. I'm going to go through the pictures real quick. And this house you can purchase with a USDA loan. That's 100% financing. Okay, with a builder credit, you can use to pay the origination, the points, the title, the escrow, the taxes, the homeowner's insurance, the HOA. So all you have to do to move into this house out of pocket is the appraisal. And you can put that on the credit card. And if there is enough money left over on a $20,000 builder credit at close, we might be able to credit that back to you. So this beautiful house is 20 minutes away from Eagle, Idaho. And I like it that this house that there is a view outside. 392, 990. Okay, let's look a little bit about the facts on here on the market trends. Median price in this area is 429. Median list is 481. So what that means is that you're buying a house that's not at the median market. You have the ability of maybe to getting some increase in value. Here's a map and location for this particular home. And let's see if we can back this up a little bit. You can see how far it is from Eagle, Idaho. And there's Eagle, and there's Horseshoe Bend. So I'll go through this real quick and let you know exactly what some of these terms mean as financing terms are, its own language sometimes. I'm a realtor for Silver Creek Realty Group, and I'm with AmeriPro Mortgage, co-owner with AmeriPro Mortgage, NMLS 22644. I'm an associate broker for Silver Creek and for the Real Estate Source out of California, 02008-184, Department of Real Estate. So, water builder credits. Financial incentive offered by the home builder to help buyers reduce their upfront ongoing cost. These credits typically applied for closing costs, interest rate buydowns, prepaids, if there's some money over some design and upgrade allowances. And we'll go back to that house to see what it does include, okay? Because that is a good question. So I just checked the MLS, and the front landscaping says it's included. So this bigger house will have a stove because USDA and FHA financing requires a stove. The refrigerator looks like it is an extra. So if we had any extra of the seller incentives, that could be used for that. I've had blinds included with the seller incentive if we have enough, and washer and dryer. However, you have to figure out your deal of where you're at first and spend that concession to close your deal. And if there's any left over, we can figure out how to use it. But in these contracts, we have to tell CBH within the first 10 days how we're going to use the seller concession money. And so we have to have our pricing back from title, from the loan company, put it all together, get an estimated LE or a CD, see what we have left over, and then we can apply it, and we put it on their form saying, hey, we've got 3,000 or 4,000. So Financing options, no down payment required. Qualified buyers become homeowners sooner without waiting years to save. So if you're renting, 100% interest. If you're using USDA, out of every payment, you'll pay principal. So you're paying principal and interest. All right. So you look at the amortization schedule and you'll see in a period of 10 years, you start paying more on the principal, but in the first 6 or 7 years, on 300,000, you're going to gain, $30,000-$40,000, and paying down your principal, you're going to get appreciation. So this house will make you money. That's better than renting. So in 5 years, if you didn't like where you're at, you can put a for sale sign on it and hopefully move to where you do like where you're at. So we do the 100% financing program with the USDA. I have a couple outlets for it. You can use us directly, and we send it over to our wholesaler, have it underwritten, and then it has to go over to USDA, and they underwrite it again on the back end. Okay. You can scan that, put Debbie on your phone. If I was going to be the realtor on this, Debbie would be the loan officer. This is the area where these homes are located. As you can see, there are some townhomes in here and some larger lot homes, and the direction of Boise, Idaho. If you go to this page, AmeriPro Mortgage, builder costs, 100% financing, builder credits, 100% financing. You'll see this link to Horseshoe Bend, and you can look at it. It's a pretty town. It's on its way to McCall. And if you're having problems with your credit and you need credit repair, I have a tip. We have 3 ways to fix your credit. One is with AI, through our AI, Angel AI. You can find our link, go to Angel AI and put in Credit Boost, and all you pay for is a credit pull and the mailings. But you have to be kind of a do-it-yourselfer. There is a lot of work on Angel AI where you got to take pictures and move things up. The other one, if you search through our links, we do have Credit Monkey. That one's a lot easier. You can use the old-fashioned scan and send it to them. It works that way. You can do that on AI too, for Angel AI. Just takes a little bit longer. And then we have Intuit, where you can check your credit score and you can go at it that direction. But 580 is the rock bottom for these USDA loans. I've never seen one below a 620 because we don't usually look for them. So I'm familiar with them from 620 and above, 640. If you're below a 620 credit